Alright, hello everybody, I am Michael at MNJ Vlog. I hope you're doing well. Gonna do a little POV driving, looking at some ocean view, and just gonna take our time as we go. And I have to say, this part of the trip was towards the mountains, but it brings you down to the ocean and some of the best views that you possibly can have. Just look at the ocean, amazing. And it is really blue today. Jenny said that it will even be bluer. This is about 78%. Now the Osmo probably won't pick it up as much, but overall this is one of the best, sunniest days that we've had since I've been in Taiwan. Just extraordinary. Yeah, look at that shoreline over there. Now, I am going to call this a POV, but I am not driving. I have somebody else driving. It's Jenny's dad. Just amazing. As far as the eye can see, I really think probably the most beautiful place on earth is just right here. Look at that view. This is amazing. And one thing I noticed about coming on this side of Taiwan is the hillsides and the mountains plus the ocean. It is just a different perspective altogether as well, because you're actually way up in the mountains itself, and the roads are windy and they curve and they go up and down. It really does not get better for a vlog than this right now. Got a mountain way over there in the background. I'm going across a bridge right now. I'm going to swing you for 1 second here. Look at the shoreline. Show you some traffic. And right back to the ocean. He can do whatever he wants. He can speed up, whatever he wants now. They've got so much. That was good. All right, so checking out the roadway as it winds on the mountain as well there. God, it's amazing. That is amazing. Now that's the direction in which we just came from. Up and over the bridge right now. And we're actually headed back to Taiwan, Jenny's hometown. Closer to the shoreline, coming down from the mountain. Just want to do a little vlog point of view driving, but not yet driving. of one of the most beautiful places on earth. Without question. Fix my hair a little bit. Alright, I am Michael at MNJ Vlog. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please subscribe, leave comments, ring the bell, whatever you like to do there. Most of all, thank you so much for watching. Alright, bye-bye. Say hi. Judy's not ready to say hi. Alright, bye-bye.